heartily welcome you all to the next session, second session of Corporate Accounting 1 on the module of issue of shares. In this session, we are going to discuss two important concepts. One is issue of shares, another is allotment of shares. The main objective of this particular session is understanding the concept of issue of shares. We are going to discuss how and what is issue of shares, and also understanding the concept of allotment. What is called allotment of shares, and also what are the different bases of allotment of shares. In the previous session, we have already studied the meaning of share and share capital, and also types of shares and share capital. Now we are going to discuss how shares are issued, what is meaning of issue of shares, and what is the concept of allotment of shares. To start with the first important concept, that is issue of shares. In order to collect the capital from the public, public company issues a document called the prospectus, inviting the public to submit applications to purchase shares of the company. That process is called issue of shares. As we all know, whenever companies require the capital to be borrowed from the public, they call for an application. They call for applications through the prospectus. The prospectus gives details about the company and invites public to apply for the shares. When public applies for the shares in a company, that is called issue of shares. Just making people to apply for the shares is called as issue of shares. Next, shares can be issued to public for subscription at three different rates or three different prices. One is par value, or which is also called as face value. Original price of the shares. Shares issued at the original price. Premium value or premium price. It is the price which is above original cost, or which is more than the face value of the shares. And discount rate is the rate which is less than the original rate of the share or original price of the share. Next concept is allotment of shares. When company makes public to apply for the shares, that is called subscription or maybe issue. When shares are issued to the public is expected to make this payment in different stages. Public or maybe people who apply for the shares make some small payment at the time of application, and the remaining amount will be paid by them when shares are allotted to them. Say for example, company has called for 10,000 applications, but people have applied for 20,000 shares. In such case, 10,000 shares will be allotted by the company. Company is not going to allot 20,000 shares, it is going to allot only 10,000 shares, or 10,000 shares the shareholders will be getting from the company. That process is called, it is the process of allotting shares to the applicants from whom applications are received for the shares as per Securities Exchange Board of India guidelines. Securities Exchange Board of India guidelines will be followed by the company. Through those guidelines, by following those guidelines, company is going to allot shares to the applicants who apply for the shares. The first important thing is, if the company has oversubscription of the applications for the shares, in such case company goes for pro rata allotment basis in order to allot the shares. That means proportionate allotment. In case if company is planning to issue 10,000, as if company is issued 10,000 shares and the public have subscribed for 20,000 shares, in such case for every two applications one share will be allotted. If shares are duly subscribed or undersubscribed, in such cases all the shares will be allotted. Say for example, company has issued 10,000 shares and public also applied for 10,000 shares. In such case, all the shares will be allotted to them. Or in other cases, if company is planning to issue 10,000 shares and the public have subscribed for 9,000 shares, in such case all the 9,000 shares will be allotted by the company to public. For example, assume that the company has issued 10,000 shares for public subscription, but the company has received applications for 20,000. In such case, for every two applications, one share will be allotted by the company. This is the brief introduction about issue of shares as well as allotment of shares. Thank you.